Alright, these are the stock tail lights. Now I'm going to take all this plus the tail light itself out, and I'm going to put in these. This truck gonna look so cold when we get done. When we get done with it, man. It's gonna look so cold. So that's what I'm about to do now. Got this headlight out. Just unplug the harness from the bottom of the truck. So now I'm about to take this off and then get that light lined up on here. Make sure no gaps, nothing like that. I can already tell it's gonna look good. So as you can see, I got the whole top piece and the tail light on. The piece I just took off the top right here. Yeah, it's off of there. So now it's time to install the passenger side. I know he's gonna probably keep all of that. This is the back of the tail light. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap all these wires up so they be protected from the elements. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Alright, I'm having a little problem here. Man, as you can see, these are where you can say like the holders. See, these will go straight in. Y'all can see, they went straight in. Now, these are the ones that they sent with these tail lights. As you can see, these won't go in. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna have to trim the sides of these. I got my Dremel and just trim the sides, and that'll make it get in there instead of trimming the middle. I don't want to touch the metal of this car, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna trim it. As you can see, just cut down the edges of it just to try to get it in there, because like I said, it's just holding the headlight and the tail light in itself. So let's see how this will fit. It's in there. Flushed. I got the top one in already. Flushed. Because I know if I don't get it flush, then it's going to stick out. See, this one I got to get in a little bit more. That one's good. Got the right side, the passenger side in. So I'm about to plug the harness in and test it, make sure it all works. Only thing is with these aftermarket parts also is that they, companies try to make them to where they fit exactly how it's supposed to go. Now, as you can see, there's just a little gap right between here for this. Like I said, I already had to adjust the little tabs that go into the hole that holds the actual light in itself. But this also has like a little gap, so I mean, it don't look that bad. But I tried to get it in there as best as I could, and that's as far as it's gonna go. But you can still see it still lines up, looks good. So now I'm gonna do the right side, the left side now, and get that all lined up. Got the driver's side out. Got the mount the tail light up here. Let's see if that side did. As y'all can see, I got them in there. Man, they changed the whole total look of this truck. Can't wait to see how this look at night. That's the LED. 3 LED bulbs. So y'all probably can't see it, it's so bright. There's 3 LED bulbs down there. And then turn signals, and then you got your running light and your brake light together. So it's looking good. Other thing I was worried about was the clearance right here. I was gonna line up with the trunk lid itself, because some of these, like I said, they make them to where, you know, they'll fit, but sometimes you get it where notch out and then rub up against the trunk lid, so ain't none of that. So you ain't no scraping or nothing. You don't even see nothing going up against it or anything. See, look good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna change his license plate bulbs also right quick too. Then after that, I'm gonna start working on putting these batteries up in there. But see, close right up. Look good, real good.
Used to cook it up and give away the overs. Yeah, this for the culture. I remember mama had roaches, now instead of roses, I give a rose.
Just making sure his hazard lights work. Like I said, this thing changed. You know, it changed the whole look of this damn truck, man. Like I said, he got from the back all LED turn signals that came with the tail lights built in. Everything is LED to his turn signals up here. Like I said, I already did everything up here. All LED. So, like I told him, man, only thing he gonna have to do is put a damn paint job on this damn truck, no body work, and put some rims on it. It's over with. Can't tell me nothing. Look at that. Alright, what I'm about to do now, sorry I'm out of breath. As I'm doing this truck, I'm working out, doing push-ups, so I'm trying to lose some weight. But okay, this is a strut. I don't know if y'all can see it. There you go. That's the strut to hold up the hood, and as soon as I let go, it's not holding up. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna change this out real quick. This is his new strut mount. Got the old one off. All you do is pop this little piece out on both sides, come straight off. So now I'm about to put a new one in. As you can see, this is the old strut. It's the new one. Look at that. Closes. Straight up. No problem. So now I'm about to do the rears for the trunk lid now. So this is good. About to take these old ones off. Do it one at a time so the damn hood don't fall on the trunk lid don't fall on my ass. So those are old ones. These are the new ones. This is for his defrost. This was already like this. I'm trying to get this glue back on this some way, somehow. So figure it out. Let's patch the side one in. You can hear the difference. This one don't sound too bad, but we bought new ones, so I'm gonna just change both of them. It is what it is. So I'm gonna do this one now. The new one on this side and also 5 minutes to do. Brand new. So I can go all the way up by itself now. This is the old one off that side. It's the old one. So now I'm done with that. It's the little stuff I'm done with. So now I'm gonna get to doing the batteries. Get that out the way.
Past the fully loaded Draco to my soldier.